If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Say Technologies, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Say Technologies. Sometimes, the verification link may have been sent to your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Resend verification email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your information. Log into your Say Technologies account and double check that all your personal information is accurate. Ensure that your name, email address, and any other required details are correctly entered. Step 4. Contact support. If the verification is still pending after resending the email and confirming your information, reach out to Say Technologies customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may take some time to verify your account, but they will inform you once the process is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Say Technologies. If problems persist, consider checking their official help resources for further assistance.